Tell me a routine of one player.
Depends on the
Minerva
tournament. So this is
let
all.
me the big tournament. Let's say the big tournament you're getting ready for all these European clubs.
So we are okay. Let me tell you now. So like the new dream and the new aim, which is even higher than the last one, and takes care of the problem कि अगर वो ना खिलाएं तो क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So 36 में मेडल लेके आऊंगा. क्यों नहीं मेडल लेके आऊंगा? नहीं तो क्योंकि यहीं पे ओलंपिक्स में हो रहा है. यहीं अगर इंडिया में हो रहा है. Guaranteed India will make sure their best boys are representing them and they will make sure with our role. That I know. So 11-12 साल की उम्र के हमारे so 2000 born in 2014 and 15 are the ones in 34-35 who will be 21 and 22.
Okay, tell me there. Like the team that you're getting
for the
ready for the Olympics.
Now they're going on 7th to the Helsinki Cup and the Gothia Cup. This is the World Youth Cup, Sweden mein. This is the first time these boys are ever going abroad. They are now, I'll give you an example. They are sleeping for around 120 minutes on 5 occasions. 2 घंटे सोते हैं 5 बारी.
ये दिन भर में.
हाँ, रोनाल्डो का जो प्रिपरेशन होता है. Do you know your sleep cycle? REM sleep cycle. Sleep cycle कितने देर का एक साइकिल होता है? 90 मिनट का. So 120 मिनट में भी टेक के तूने सोना भी है, तूने उठना भी है, तो मतलब एक स्लीप साइकिल हो गया तेरा. ह्यूमन बीइंग एक्चुअली नीड्स 1 स्लीप साइकिल. ये तो 200 साल हुए हैं हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को 8-8, 10-10 घंटे सोने की बीमारी पड़ी है. हम पेड़ों पे रहते थे यार. ओके, वी यूज्ड टू हैव 1 meal a day, and that also if we hunted that day or gathered, hunter and gatherers gathered that day. And सोते कहाँ थे? पेड़ों पे. क्यों? गिर जाए तो. और कितनी you can sleep for 8 hours when you're in the wild? No. So human bodies have been designed in a way that you can sleep for 90 minutes and you get the entire night's thing. But the maximum recovery happens when you're sleeping. Repair happens when you're sleeping. New neurons are made. New cells are made. Everything is done. I understand that. And that's why we do it for 10 hours. That means we sleep for 10 hours. But for 5 different occasions. Because every sleep means you're refreshed and you can work out again. So how many sessions do I have for the kids? 4. Are they all physical? No. If I have a session when I'm showing you analysis session, is as good. If I'm putting you in the pool and it's hydrotherapy, that means we do that a lot. Why? Because in hydrotherapy, the gravity is not working on your joints and you're not getting tired, but you're actually getting the same exercise. So it's great. So if there's a hydrotherapy session, morning gym session, evening session, and there'll be sleep, this food, sleep, this food, sleep, this food. ऐसे करके. How many meals? 5. How big? Small. Itna.
So 5 training sessions.
4 training sessions.
4 training sessions.
5 meals, 5 times sleeping. Now why? Because when I go to this so preparing for the competitions, when I go for Gothia and for Helsinki, in my pool, there are 152 teams from 32 nations. Okay. In my group, I have 6 teams. There are 40 groups or 30 groups or whatever. So जब पहले मैच के बाद जो pre-quarter knockout 32, quarter and semi-final happen on the same day. In the morning, afternoon, evening. I'm preparing for that.
It happens for everybody. All the teams.
Everybody, all the tournaments I've won. So when I won those 4, I was in the final of the one, traveled the next day. Next day, first match happened from Helsinki to Sweden. First match happened. Won, did the whole thing. Second last day, won the pre-quarters, quarters, semis, and final biggest score in the history of football there in Sweden. Next day, went to the next tournament, played the thing. 1 day before the final, pre-quarter, quarter final, 3 matches. Again the final, 14-0. Then went to the next one, did the same thing, reached the final, did that. Why? Because I prepared for it.
But isn't it exhaustive?
Yeah, it is very, very exhaustive. And recovery matters the maximum. That is why you've been taught to sleep within 5 minutes.
Are there other teams who do the same thing?
No. Why do you think other teams don't win all 4? And nobody's won all 4 ever in the history of world football. The tournaments have been going on for 54 years. The kind of people who played there, Xavi, Ibrahimovic, David Beckham. I mean, you name the player, he's played in those tournaments.
And they don't play all 4 together because of the recovery point. So why are you playing that? Isn't it very exhausting then?
No.
Isn't it bad for our players?
No. Not at that age.
You were telling me about Ronaldo, right? What was the sleeping pattern?
So sleeping pattern है that when he's training, he spends, imagine at this age, he spends $5 million a year on recovery. On recovery, man. So he has a cryo chamber, which is the temperature